Welcome to Senda Chica. This apartment in particular is one of the 102 apartments located here at La Reserva in Sotogrande. So follow me into the living room and I'll explain you all about this beautiful apartment. This apartment in particular is located on the first floor in one of the 12 blocks in Senda Chica. And this apartment has been finished in such a luxurious and tasteful way that it truly makes for the perfect family home or holiday home or whatever you might use it for, because it's got everything for super comfortable indoor and outdoor living, which means it makes it the perfect apartment for either all-year use or to enjoy in summer or winter, whenever you prefer. However, as with most apartments and locations in Sotogrande, the best part is the outdoor space. This apartment in particular has about 200 square meters of terraces that loop completely around the apartment. And out here we find ourselves in the main area of the terrace where you would spend most of your daytime living. We have a lower seating area, then we have a higher area to entertain, invite guests, have lunch, dinners, breakfast, whatever you want. And of course, if it's too hot, you always have the fully covering pergolas. And one of the best parts is this fully equipped outdoor kitchen. This kitchen really has everything so that you don't need to set foot inside of the house anymore, and you can spend an amazing full day out here on the terrace overlooking the open spaces of Senda Chica. As you can see, the apartment has accesses to inside and outside all throughout the house. It has loads of natural light, and it's so spacious that it feels like you're almost in a villa. So over here we have a fully open kitchen, again completely equipped with everything, including a wine fridge, super important in the south of Spain, and a formal dining area. Again, it's super beautifully finished. And over here we have a washing area. It has fully equipped aerothermia systems, which means that your electricity bills are extremely low, whether you're using heating, cold air, warm air, whatever you need depending on the weather. Over here we have a guest bathroom, and then we make our way into the sleeping quarters. The living quarters you can separate completely from the sleeping quarters, which is amazing because if you're entertaining guests or whatever, you don't disrupt the sleeping area. Over here we have the first ensuite bedroom, again double-sized, access to outside. Here we have loads of covered space. Okay, so the Senda Chica apartments don't normally come with a storage room. However, they're thought out well so that you have loads of storage space all throughout. Over here we have another ensuite bedroom, again fully equipped with its own bathroom and straight access to outside. And finally, we make our way to this stunning master bedroom. I mean, the size of this bed is unbelievable. The wallpaper, everything has been so nicely done to make it super cozy and feel like you're really in one of those multi-million high-end super villas that you find right up that hill. From the master bedroom, we have access to the outside terrace as well. Like I said, the terrace loops completely around. You have great afternoon sun to enjoy all day. You have a long lap pool, you have a kids pool, 2 paddle courts, which is obviously the first place people start to make friends through paddle when they first arrive to Sotogrande, a small gym area, and a concierge service. So located at just a few minutes from Sotogrande International School, these properties are great whether you're looking to buy for yourself, holiday home, or investment, because they also have great rental value. So if this is something you're interested in, don't hesitate to contact Open Frontiers Real Estate in Sotogrande.